Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Last couple of days I have covered some basic, let's see, in Azure pipelines or Azure DevOps. It's repos and pipelines, how to create a repo, how to upload, how to make a pull request, and etc. How to create a pipeline to run this code in the repos, how to run the pipelines in two different or OS or different PCs, how to create a local agent, and etc. I have uploaded all of these videos. Now today, let's see, you have some experience with how to use a repo and how to use a pipeline. Now the Microsoft is also offering how to, in case you would like to run your machine learning or algorithm, the code, let's see, in this repo, run it not in your PC, but in a cloud or Microsoft cloud. So this is the main website of the main page of the portal Azure. So now you didn't need to create two different accounts. Once you have account here, you created account here, you just need to log in with your account in this Microsoft Azure or Azure. There's some starting, let's see, with free Azure. They will give you 200 free credit to use some services like this here. We will see in more details in the coming videos. Or you have a Microsoft ID, or if you are a student, you can use it. Let's see, cheaper than the normal one. Now, because I'm not a student and I have no ID, Microsoft ID, I will start with this one, and we will try to see if this accepted or not. Let's start. Try Azure for free. So okay, understand. What's this one here? Okay. Please, here you need to add your credit card. So if you have a free account, let's see, $200, they won't charge you anything until it's finished. And this one will be for the 12 months, but you need to use it in the 30 days. And I have to add my card, and I will be back to you once I finish this entering this stuff. So what you need to just enter your name, the card, Visa card or credit card, I don't know, and here's the expired date, CVV, and address and everything. There's this, you should just follow this and click next. So I will just pause the video and see you in the next section. Okay, so now I add my card and let's sign up. Protect yours. Percent. Okay. Ah, okay. So now I'm not able to add to use a free account, as a free account. So I will go with this one here. Sign up with pay to go. Understand. Next. Next. Please provide a credit card. We can't accept prepaid. What is this? Okay, maybe it's not working. I just need to accept it from my app. So let's see now. Should it work? We will see. Okay. Get Azure. We don't need anything. Thank you. We need it for free. So if you need these services, you can pay for this. Getting started is it's just like let's say support. So for me now, I don't need it. Sign up. Next. I don't need to give a feedback right now. Okay, so this is the main. What's this create? Okay, this is the tutorial how to get started with the Microsoft. But now this is the main page, or let's see the starting or landing page after searching for after signing with the credit card, and you can see here your subscriptions. You can have many subscriptions as you want, and this is my subscription. It is subscription ID one, and let me go back and here how to create a resource, how to create also another subscriptions, how to create the storage account. And if we see here, you can start with creating a storage account. But this there's also, we will try to use all of these, not all of these. Let's see most of the important services. So for instance, I will try to create a resource group. So then I will try to, here's a resource group, how to create a resource group, for instance. And the resource group, it's like a house. And in this resource group or in this house, you will have a storage account. Let's see this one here. You will have a computer, either cluster or a normal or virtual machine. And you will have also a data storage and the data asset. This also will be, let's see, in this resource group. And the final will, you will have the algorithms, which algorithm you would like to run. Either you run your code or you can use the supported code in the Azure. And here to create a resource group, and you can see here create. But in the next video, in the next videos, I will show you how to create resource group with 4 different steps. Either you can do it manually from here, right now, create, or another step is to create it from pipelines via Azure CLI, or you can the third one is to create it with uh, CMD or PowerShell in your PC here. And this is, let's see, in my PC. I can just create a resource group from here. And the last one is to use Python SDK. So with yeah, this is the resource group. Now each service of these Azure Micros Azure ML, I will try to show you 4 steps to create these resources. For example, as I said, for example, in the to resource group, we will try to use either from here manually or uh, pipeline or maybe CMD terminal or PowerShell, and the last one is the Python SDK. So that's it for today, and see you next time. Bye.